Hello everybody. So today we are learning about the API reference activities and fragments from JetPack libraries. You will see for the permission now it is very simple. So first of all, create an application. For this one it's MP. There is only main activity and activity main. Okay. So in build Gradle, so you had to put those dependencies, excuse me. So for the activity and for the fragments. So be careful about this. Okay, right. So now, of course, go back to, first of all, to Android manifest and ask for permissions for camera, for example. Use this permission for read external. Okay, and for the last one, why not for the write external? Okay, so this is for example. So now we'll go back to main activity. So let's delete this. And first of all, we have to create an array to put the different value inside. So private value of permissions. Okay, so an array of string and array of, so place inside. So be careful, not this one, not java.util, but manifest Android. Okay, so permissions, so camera. So same for read external, and the last one for write external. That's it. So now let's create the method for multiple permissions. Okay, so private for multiple permissions registration equal register for activity result. So activity result contracts dot, and you can select this one, request multiple permissions like this, and the constructor, of course. So and this. So inside we can have multiple information. So for example, we like to ask if it dot contains key. So for example, manifest dot permission dot camera. So let's put a login. This. So permissions done for camera. So let's do the same for the other one. So let's copy and paste twice time. So read external storage and write external storage. So let's copy and paste inside. Oops. Like this. Okay, and now it's very simple. You only have to do multiple permissions registration, this one, dot launch, and this array. Okay, now you will see. Let's have a see. So let's copy and paste into the logcat like this. Let's run the application. And as you can see in the application, we need the permissions. So for the video and the camera, like the image, excuse me. Okay. And now, as you can see, we've got all the permissions. So simple, not? Yes. Of course, if you want, you can place on request permissions, not necessary. So let's have a look inside the cloud, the public class. Okay, inside you can have more information about the method and create intent, the synchronous. Okay, and the pass result. As you can see, we've got information about the grant results, the result code, etc., etc. You can have a look inside, and of course you can put some information. Only you have to put is if random result dot is not empty, and grant result or value equal package manager dot permission granted, of course. So like this, you can put method to action, and let's create after, and else. So now you have to explain to the user if this one refuses to permission, explain to the user about the permissions, permissions needed. Okay, so let's place inside. Okay, the user, so accept, excuse me, so permissions granted, this, and for the other one, let's create another function like this. So put another login. So let's place the same inside like this. So fail. So, and if you would like to repeat the action, you only need to launch and the values like this. So, oops, say, excuse me. So, oh yes, not values, but values of permissions, of course. Like this. Excuse me. So now let's delete. So permission T, permission. Let's delete this, and the other one, why not? I'm not sure. Okay, right. So now let's run again the application, and you will see. So let's copy this here, like this. So now you will refused. So this permission granted. Oh, there is a mistake. Explain. Oh, sorry. Not like this. Made a mistake. This one, not here, but of course here. And for the other one, here, of course. Sorry. So go back again. Sorry for this. So permissions, let's delete this. Okay. Right. So let's run again. Now I don't want. So as you can see, permission failed, and you can ask again to the user to have the permission. So now permissions granted. Right? As you can see, it's very simple now when you use JetPack. Okay, so see you soon and bye bye.